Jeng bedip nam tai kuar like kami kai kidon kumba South Li A ki post kami kai balaj. Tai gilong ka paningkong application are invited for the post of an assistant teacher in the deficit RCLP school qualification class 12 pass with 45% and above with DLED and MTED lower primary. People qualify akan LP MTED compulsory. Application should reach Tulu Secondary School East Jaintia Hill District East Jaintia Hill District on or before 14 July 2023. July last date. Timing 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Interview date will be intimate later. Te hangni reklamai detail shu ai tang kerteng school takmud ba pihak online submit di application jong pi hapo school Tulu Secondary School East Jaintia Hill District on or before 14 July. Denam tak adit interview kin sapti hadin pada. Sakine update kidon kumbalai teli ki post application in standard form are invited from candidate who are citizen of India for under mentioned posts. Assistant teacher social science koi pila bande graduate with major in one of the concerned subject lane postgraduate in art science commerce tangba pili bendon bade ya ka B.Ed. Te pila ban apply ya ka subject social science. Nomor 2, assistant teacher science and technology. Larap de graduate PCM with major, postgraduate with B.Ed. Kana graduate rula ban apply, postgraduate rula ban apply tang madan kam ya ka B.Ed. And then assistant teacher English near way, graduate with major in English, postgraduate in arts with B.Ed. Kita ginon kam. Age as on 11 as prescribed by the state government katu ngila tip hi. Computer knowledge or usage of ICT in teaching, learning process, sport, curricular activities, arts, craft, culture will be added advantage. Application with certificate, mark sheet from SLC onward, birth certificate and testimonial duly attested along 2 passport size photograph should reach undersigned on or before 24 July 2023. Tenggut ba ka last date kedai arp tarik na July arja apply. Kiba kwa ban apply ban lay submit di documents ki application gujong pi hakane ka school Gorkha Pathshala Secondary School Opar Moprem kadon po Opar Moprem pila ban lay submit di application gujong pi hakate ka school tangine gujong dip kublejun.